Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. I've been seeing a lot of videos about what the people think the finest ThinkPad Made is. There's some differing opinions. A lot of folks like the old, like the T420s, the 430s. There's the X fans that, since they're smaller and easier to carry. I like the P series. As far as a daily driver laptop that I've had and used more than any of the other ones, I'm very fortunate to be able to have and use and be able to sell any number of Lenovo products, but I tend to specialize in the ThinkPads because they're better made than any of their other products, I feel. You have to find anything that rivals the reliability of the ThinkPad series, either the T or the P, out there on the market. I use a P51 7th gen i7 with 64 gigs of RAM and multiple M.2s in it and things like that. And I'm recording the video on it right now. I use it every day here at the shop. It's docked. I take it home with me, and it goes on trips if we go somewhere. But it has not failed me. It boots consistently. It runs fine. It does what I need without having to spend an arm and leg on a newer version of the laptop. I've got a P52 for sale that's a little faster than even the one I use, and I've got a P50 coming in today that I'll start prepping out and should be ready hopefully this week for sale. It's a 6th gen i7, but 32 gigs of RAM. It's going to have a 500 gig M.2 in it. And load Windows 11 on it. The P50s are fine laptops, and they're good for they don't break the budget either. So if you're looking for a P50 P series laptop, I normally have some 50s. Hopefully I could find 51s and 52s, or even some of the P70 series, the 71, the 70, or the 72 and the 73. But I'm always looking for the engineer class laptop because that's what I use and that's what I like to sell because they do a good job for the customer and they don't give the customer any trouble either, thank goodness. So it is some of the finest products we have for sale here at Jets PC. So that's my 2 cents about what I think is the finest ThinkPad made, and that would be the P series. Thanks for checking out the YouTube channel, and thanks for checking out Jets PC. Y'all have a good rest of your day.